Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E1 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So a couple things. First of all, the E1 error is a thermistor error, which is the temperature sensor, which senses that your water is hot enough. So if you're getting this error, this could be anything from the temperature sensor itself to the wiring to it to the control board. So there's not a super simple answer there, but before you click away, there is one thing that you can do. Well, actually two things you can do. The first thing that I would recommend you do before you call for any support or anything like that to come work on it is I would just do a hard reset on the machine. So turn it off, disconnect it from power for a full minute, and then turn it back on and see if it doesn't clear this electronic error out. The second thing that I would recommend that you can do while you're waiting for it to get fixed, if it does need to, you do have to have the thermistor replaced or something like that, is you should be able to run the washing machine on cold cycles while you're waiting for it to get fixed, because it doesn't have to sense the temperature of the water. It just runs it on cold water, and it should work. And so if you do those things, you should be able to at least be able to use your washing machine while you're waiting to get the thermistor repaired or replaced. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.